Struggling to find the right leads for your business? What if you could find them in just a few clicks? Let me show you how CUFinder's bulk search tool can transform your lead generation game. This filter lets you upload entire Excel files, apply filters, and get exactly the leads you need. Step 1 is simple. Just upload your Excel file. CUFinder's bulk search tool is designed to handle large files up to 10,000 companies. It's quick and easy to import. The tool reads the data and prepares it for filtering within seconds. Now comes the powerful part of CUFinder, applying custom filters. Set filters like industry, location, revenue, company size, and more. These custom filters allow you to pinpoint your target audience, ensuring you're working with relevant, high-quality leads. With your filters applied, it's time to generate your leads. Once generated, simply export your leads or add them to your CRM directly. Let's talk about the benefits of using CUFinder's bulk search. First, it saves you time. Tasks that usually take hours now can be done in minutes. Second, it boosts productivity by allowing you to focus on strategic outreach instead of gathering data. And third, with accurate data-driven filters, your chances of reaching the right contacts are much higher. CUFinder's bulk search tool takes the hassle out of lead generation. Ready to elevate your lead generation? Try CUFinder's bulk search and start generating high-quality leads in seconds.